Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Mercari how to ship. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to ship in Mercari, first what you need to do is choose shipping method when listing. So to do it, simply head over and open up Mercari app. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is tap on the sell icon on the bottom of your screen, then select list an item. Then once you're inside here, fill in the details, and then under the shipping method, what you need to do is select a Mercari prepaid label or ship on your own option or Mercari local. Then once done, what you need to do is after the item sells, go to the selling option by simply tapping on the sell icon on the bottom of your screen, and then tap on in progress and then your order. Then tap on view or download shipping label if you choose Mercari prepaid, and then simply print the label. The next is to pack your item safely using a sturdy box or padded envelope. Then wrap the item with bubble wrap paper or so. Then next is to drop off this or schedule pickup, and then once that's done, simply confirm the shipment. And then once the item received, the buyer has 3 days to rate you. After both parties rate or auto rating is in, Mercari releases your payment. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.